Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and it's trending Jew, as you know. So thank you so much for watching our videos and likes, dislikes for everything. So today we are going to unbox. I have just removed the wrapper, and we will just unbox the Apple Watch Series 6, and it's silver one. Okay, I like silver, so I have again took the silver one. All right, so guys, let me show you this Apple Watch Series 6. Okay, so let's just open the box, and this one is a cellular one. Okay, so GPS plus cellular, so it will cost you around 52,500 around. So this is how it looks in the inside. Okay, so if you are going for this one, as per your want, you can take, if you want a cellular one, or you can take the GPS one. The GPS one will cost you around 40 or 42,000 somewhere. Okay, तो दोस्तों ये एप्पल वॉच सीरीज 6 है एंड सिल्वर. सो इसमें और क्या आता है, इसमें क्या आता है, फिर ये हो गया हमारा केबल. ओके, एंड ये हमारा हो गया एडाप्टर. ओके, सो उसके बाद हमारा ये हो गया वॉच, और इसके नीचे और क्या है. So next guys, we have here is some straps. All right, so let me just remove this strap. Alright, so I got this one, and these are the straps. Okay, so for the silver one you are getting this. So guys, for the silver one you are getting the white strap. Okay, and for the other one, the blue one and all, you will get the blue one. Or if you want to purchase and you want to use, you can use it here also. So this one is done, and here is the watch. So for this watch I have got one strap, the new strap, which I really like it, and this one is the new strap. So if you are purchasing from Apple, so it will cost you around 3,500, and this strap I got it from aftermarket, so it will cost you around 800 somewhere. Okay, but it's durable. There is no chance like it will fall down or anything such. Okay, so let me just take out the Apple Watch Series 6, and this one is, so I have just applied this tempered glass on it. Okay, you can also use it, tempered glass, and it will save your screen actually, or else you know the Apple products, how much it will cost you if any damage will happen. All right, so that's all guys, you are getting a lot of things, and this strap, you can use it, it will look really awesome. So friends, I have just installed this strap on this, so let me know how it looks. And I have just configured this Apple Watch with my iPhone. So this is it, and these are all, like, the new watch faces have come, so you can just customize it. Really looks cool, and the new faces. Okay, so you can keep those faces also in watch face. So these are all customized for your Apple Watch Series 6. So here you are getting oxygen, blood oxygen, and you are getting blood oxygen plus ECG plus fall detection, and you can track your daily activities if you're running or if you're cycling, and many other activities. So please let me know if you want a detailed video on this, and we can do a review of it. Okay, so guys, if you really like it, please thumbs up, and if you don't like, that's okay, you can do dislike also. And if you really think these videos are worth to watch, so please do subscribe and do like our videos. Thank you guys for watching our video, and take care.